Hello friends, welcome back. So in this video we will look for how to create your first Razor Pages application. Okay, so for me the recent project template it's chosen, but if you are not seeing this one, so you can search for web. So you see multiple templates already provided from Microsoft. So if you see the ASP.NET Core web app, so it says Razor Pages, and if you scroll down, so there is a API and also model view controller. So currently we are focusing on Razor Pages, so you choose this one and click next. So you can name your project anything. I'll say introduction to Razor. Okay, so if you click on next, so it will ask you to choose whatever the whatever the version you have. Like, so currently .NET 8 is the long-term support for me, but we have uh, I see .NET 9 also released, and .NET 10 is in the preview mode. So I will choose .NET 8, and you can leave the rest all as is. So we can go over in our next videos. So once you click on create, so this will the Visual Studio will create a new project out of the template you chosen. So it will have a lot of files within your project. So this is dependencies, like if you have anything libraries you add, they fall under the dependencies. So the properties you can ignore for these two folders for now. In future videos we can go over as needed. So the main files or folders you need to focus on the www root and pages, app settings, and program.cs. Okay, so I'll start with the www root here. So in the www root folder, you see CSS, JS, library, lib folder, etc. So this is the this www root can be accessed directly from the URL. This is used like if you have any HTML file, you can drop here and you can access it, or PDFs, images, everything go under this folder. Okay, and if you see there is a site.css, your site.js file here, anything JavaScript file. So we can explore all these two files with the examples in the next coming videos. So the lib has our third party libraries like Bootstrap, jQuery, etc. So we can go over with a couple of examples in later videos. So if we go to the pages, this is where the Razor pages um, stay. So you see a .cshtml, for example, this one. So .chhtml and .cs. So .cshtml stands for Razor pages extension, and you also see .cs. This is a model class of the page. Okay, so every CSHTML has a .cs, but not some. Like if you see there is underscore in front. So whenever there is an underscore name in front, it will not have any .cs following. So you can think about this as a partial view in our MVC, but this is a kind of page without .cs. But you can consider like partial Razor page like that. Okay. Um, so if you create a page, a Razor page with .cshtml with .cs, they can accessible from the URL. Okay. If there is an underscore and without there is a .cs, they cannot access by URL. Yeah, that is one of the difference you can think of. So whenever when we run the project, so whatever the site or the default index.aspx, sorry, default the CSHTML index.cshtml will come. So this is what the Visual Studio created by default for us. So if you go to our, I don't want to go in detail on the code, the HTML here, but later video we can discuss on the tags how this works. Okay, and this is the index dot CSHTML, the page opened here by default. If you click on the home, privacy, so the privacy also has a page with a basic HTML. Okay, so this is all about pages. So we can go over with examples in the later videos. And the app settings.json. So this is where your configuration settings go, and you can separate the production app settings and the development app settings. We can go over the some environment variables later videos. So program.cs is the starting point of the web application. So here where you have all the middlewares or services, etc., which where what we go further like in the next videos. But yeah, this is all about like the introduction or how what what you get when you create a new web application. Okay. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions or comments, please leave in the comment section. So I will respond you as soon as possible. Thank you so much. Bye bye.